Let's talk about one of nature's most powerful phenomena, thunderstorms. Have you ever looked up at a darkening sky and wondered what's really happening up there? To understand thunderstorms, we need to explore three key ingredients that come together to create these incredible storms. But first, let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a thunderstorm? A thunderstorm is more than just rain. It's a complex system that produces lightning and thunder. But how does it all begin? The first ingredient we need is moisture. Think about those warm summer days when the air feels thick and heavy. That's moisture at work. It comes from lakes, rivers, and oceans. When the sun heats these bodies of water, the water evaporates, adding moisture to the air. But that's just the beginning. Next, we have instability. This is where things get interesting. When warm, moist air rises, it creates instability. Picture a balloon filled with hot air rising into the sky. As this air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. But not just any clouds, these are the beginnings of a thunderstorm. Now let's talk about the third ingredient. Lift is what gets that warm air moving upward. It can come from various sources like weather fronts or mountains. Imagine the air being pushed up like a roller coaster climbing to the top of a hill. So what happens when these three ingredients, moisture, instability, and lift, come together? You guessed it, they create the perfect conditions for a thunderstorm. But what happens next? Once these clouds develop, they enter a life cycle. The developing stage, the mature stage, and finally the dissipating stage. During the mature stage, you'll experience the most intense weather, complete with heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. But don't worry, every storm eventually weakens and dissipates. So the next time you see dark clouds gathering, remember the fascinating process happening above you.